What if I told you there's one simple DIY trick, costing less than $20 and taking under 10 minutes, that could instantly improve your fuel economy? I'm not talking about adding questionable miracle liquids or buying expensive gadgets. This is a real proven method used by professional mechanics and fleet operators to squeeze every last mile out of a gallon of gas. It's so effective that you might feel like your car just got a small performance tune-up. And the best part, you can do it yourself, right at home, today. Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only show you how to do it step by step, but also explain why it works scientifically and how to keep your fuel economy optimized long term. Why your car's fuel economy drops over time. You've probably noticed that over time your car doesn't seem to get the same mileage it used to. That's not your imagination. The reasons include carbon buildup, gums up injectors and intake valves, reducing efficient fuel spray, sensor drift, mass airflow, MAF, and oxygen sensors get dirty, sending incorrect data, tire pressure and alignment, increased rolling resistance lowers MPG, air restriction, a dirty air filter or throttle body makes your engine work harder. Manufacturers design engines with tight tolerances, relying on precise airflow and fuel atomization. When those systems get dirty, fuel economy plummets, and so does engine responsiveness. The DIY trick: cleaning your mass airflow sensor. Here's the secret. Clean your mass airflow MAF sensor. This tiny sensor, usually located between your air filter and throttle body, measures incoming air and tells your engine computer how much fuel to inject. When it gets dirty, your engine runs rich, too much fuel, killing mileage and power. Why this works: cleaning the MAF restores proper airflow measurement, allowing your engine to adjust the fuel-air ratio back to optimal levels. In many cases, drivers report 5 to 15% fuel economy improvement instantly. What you'll need: MAF sensor cleaner, available at any auto parts store for around $10 to $15. Do not use regular carb cleaner. It can damage the sensor. A screwdriver or socket set to remove the sensor housing. Protective gloves and eye protection. Safety first. Step-by-step instructions. Locate the MAF sensor, typically found right after your air filter housing. Check your owner's manual or Google your car's engine bay diagram if unsure. Disconnect the sensor. Unplug the electrical connector carefully. Remove the sensor. Use your screwdriver or socket to gently remove it from the housing. Spray the cleaner. Hold the sensor by its base. Never touch the delicate wires. And spray it with dedicated MAF cleaner. Give it 10 to 15 short bursts to remove all dirt and oil residue. Let it dry completely. Wait at least 10 minutes. Reinstall and reconnect. Put the sensor back and plug in the connector. Start the engine. Let it idle for a few minutes, then take it for a short drive. Immediate results. Most drivers notice instant differences. Smoother idle. No more slight vibrations or dips in RPM. Better throttle response. Accelerates without hesitation. Improved fuel economy, especially noticeable during highway cruising. In fleet studies, vehicles with regularly cleaned MAF sensors saw consistent fuel economy improvements and lower emissions. Why mechanics don't mention this? Honestly, cleaning a MAF sensor is one of those quick jobs that shops could easily charge $80 to $120 for. That's why many won't suggest it unless there's a check engine light. But cleaning it yourself costs less than $20 and takes less time than brewing coffee. Extra tips for maximum gains. Check your air filter. A clogged filter can undo your hard work. Replace it if it looks dirty or is older than 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Reset the ECU. Optional. After cleaning, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear adaptive fuel trims. When restarted, the ECU will relearn with fresh sensor data, often improving results further. Pair with proper tire pressure. Underinflated tires can rob up to 10% of your fuel economy, so check and inflate them weekly. Real-world story. I had a 2012 Honda Accord showing sluggish acceleration and dropping MPG from 28 to 23. After cleaning the MAF and replacing a $15 air filter, mileage jumped back to 28 to 29 miles per gallon instantly. No other repairs. That's hundreds of dollars saved every year for less than $30 and 15 minutes of time. The science behind it. When the mass airflow MAF sensor gets coated with dust, oil, and microscopic debris, it no longer reads airflow accurately. Even being slightly off can cause the engine control unit, ECU, to inject more fuel than necessary. This rich condition not only lowers your miles per gallon, but can also cause carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, fouled spark plugs, and even premature catalytic converter failure. By cleaning the MAF, you're essentially restoring the engine's ability to breathe correctly. In studies done by aftermarket engineering teams, cleaning the MAF restored fuel trims to near factory levels, with many vehicles gaining 5 to 10% fuel efficiency immediately. For cars running in dusty areas, the difference is even bigger. How often should you do this? For most vehicles, cleaning the MAF every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year, is ideal. If you drive in dusty conditions or use an oiled aftermarket air filter, you may need to do it every 6 months. Fleet operators, who monitor fuel usage closely, have even made this a regular part of their preventative maintenance schedules because of the noticeable savings. Can this trick void your warranty? The short answer is no, if done correctly. You're not modifying the sensor, just cleaning it with an approved product. In fact, some manufacturers even recommend periodic MAF cleaning. Just make sure to use only dedicated MAF cleaner. Avoid physically touching the sensor wires. Reinstall everything securely. Adding a bonus boost. Throttle body cleaning. Want to take things one step further while you have the intake open? Clean your throttle body. Over time, carbon deposits build up around the throttle plate, restricting airflow and causing rough idle or sluggish response. Steps: remove the intake hose leading to the throttle body. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a rag and wipe away visible carbon deposits. Avoid spraying directly into the throttle body on electronic throttle systems, drive-by-wire, to prevent sensor damage. This complements the MAF cleaning and gives you an even smoother idle and throttle response. The psychological factor. Here's why this trick resonates with so many DIYers. The results are immediate. Most car maintenance feels like a long-term insurance policy, but this is one of those rare tasks where you feel the improvement the same day. Drivers often report feeling like their car is lighter on its feet, and when they see an instant 1 to 3 mpg improvement on the dash or during their next fuel fill-up, it reinforces the habit of proactive maintenance. Why most drivers never do this? It's not that people are lazy, it's that they don't know. Vehicle manuals rarely mention MAF cleaning because it's considered lifetime. But in real-world conditions, sensors degrade long before the end of a car's life. Dealers and repair shops might perform it, but it's often bundled with expensive intake services. By learning this one trick, you bypass that unnecessary cost and stay ahead of hidden performance losses that slowly drain your wallet. A real-world example. A rideshare driver I worked with had a Toyota Prius that lost nearly 5 miles per gallon over a year, which for him meant $800 to $1,000 in extra fuel costs annually. After cleaning the MAF and throttle body, the mileage jumped back by 4.5 miles per gallon. That single 15-minute job paid for itself within the first tank of gas. The future of DIY maintenance. With modern vehicles relying on dozens of sensors, understanding how to maintain them is critical for long-term reliability and efficiency. As engines become more complex and efficient, small issues like dirty MAF sensors have an even greater impact on performance and fuel economy. Learning how to handle basic DIY tasks like this not only saves money but also gives you confidence to handle other maintenance. Whether it's spark plugs, cabin filters, or even more advanced systems. Your challenge. Here's what I want you to do. Check your owner's manual, locate your MAF sensor, and buy a $10 to $15 cleaner. Follow the steps from this video and see how your car responds over the next week. Drop a comment below. How much did your MPG improve? Did the car feel smoother? Your feedback might inspire others to try it and save big on fuel costs too. Final thoughts. Engines don't magically lose efficiency. It's small things like dirty sensors, restricted airflow, and improper fuel trims that chip away at performance. By investing 10 minutes and $20 into this one DIY trick, you can instantly restore fuel economy, improve drivability, and prevent expensive issues later. So what are you waiting for? The next time you fill up and see your mileage jump, you'll know this little-known trick actually works, and you'll be glad you didn't ignore it.